A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. Class Junior KG, Subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? आज हम cursive letters का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. You have to hold your pencil like this. आपको pencil कैसे hold करनी है children? Like this. Now the first letter of alphabet is A. A for apple. See here, put your pencil on the blue line, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line and a loop between these two lines. A for apple. What is the spelling of apple? A P P L E, apple. Now the next letter is B. B for ball. See here, put your pencil on a dot, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, a curve, a loop, then again a curve. This is letter B. B for ball. What is the spelling of ball? B A L L, ball. The next letter is C. C for cat. See here, a curve, a semicircle. C for cat. The spelling of cat is C-A-T, cat. Now the next letter is, tell me the next letter. Very good. D. D for duck. Put your pencil on a dot, draw a slanting line, a loop, then a semicircle. This is a letter D. D for duck. What is the spelling of duck? D-U-C-K. Duck. Now the next letter is E. E for elephant. See here, draw a curve, a semicircle, one more semicircle. This is letter E. E for elephant. Now the spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now E for elephant के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? F. F for fish. See here, draw a curved line, a slanting line, one more curve and a sleeping line. This is letter F. F for fish. What is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H, fish. Now F for fish के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? G. G for grapes. Now see here, put your pencil on a blue line, draw a curve, a semicircle, slanting line and a curved line. This is letter F. This is letter G. G for grapes. Now the spelling of grapes is G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Now the next letter is H. H for house. See here, draw a curve, a slanting line, one more curve, again a slanting line and a loop between these two lines. This is letter H. H for house. What is the spelling of house? H-O-U-S-E, house. Now the next letter is I. I for igloo. I for igloo. Put your pencil on the first blue line, draw a curve, slanting line, one more slanting line, again a curve. This is letter I. I for igloo. What is the spelling of igloo? I G L O, O, igloo. Now the next letter is J. J for joker. A curved line, again a slanting line, and again a curved line. This is letter J. J for joker. What is the spelling of joker? J O K E R. जोकर. नाउ जे फॉर जोकर के बाद नेक्स्ट लेटर क्या आता है चिल्ड्रन? व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट लेटर? टेल मी. के. के फॉर काइट. सी हियर, ड्रॉ अ कर्व, a slanting line, one more curve, and again a curved line, a loop, then again a curved line. This is letter K. K for kite. What is the spelling of kite? K-I-T-E. Kite. Now the next letter is L. L for lion. See here, a curved line, a loop, slanting line, one more loop, then a curved line. This is letter L. L for lion. What is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N. Lion. Now L for lion के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? M. M for monkey. See here, put your pencil on the blue line, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, one more, and this is last. And M for monkey. Now the next letter is N. N for nest. A slanting line, one more slanting line, and this is last slanting line. N for nest. What is the spelling of nest? N-E-S-T. Nest. Now see here, the next letter is O. O for owl. O for owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L. Owl. Now O for owl के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? P. P for peacock. P for peacock. See here, put your pencil on the red line, draw a slanting line, one more slanting line, a semicircle, and stop here. This is letter P. P for peacock. See here, two curved lines, then a semicircle. P for peacock. Again slanting line, one more slanting line, and a semicircle. P for peacock. Again a slanting line, one more slanting line, and a semicircle. This is letter P. P for peacock. Now the spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now see here, a slanting line, one more slanting line, and a semicircle. Now what you have to do? You have to do homework. In your homework, you have to practice the cursive letters and then click a picture of it, send it to the school WhatsApp number. This is your homework. Now till then, take care and keep studying.